In this video, we're going to look at properties of a rhombus. So the first property is, just like a square, all sides are the same length. But different to a square, instead of all angles being equal, it's only that we have two pairs of equal angles. So we have these two are the same, and these two are the same. But they are not all 90 degrees. We have two pairs of parallel sides. So this one is parallel to this one, and this one is parallel to this one. In terms of symmetry, it has two lines of symmetry. We have got the one from top to bottom, and the other one from left to right through the corners. It has rotational symmetry of order 2, so let's check that. So put in my other one, see how many times it goes into itself. So there's 1, and there's 2. So yes, rotational symmetry of order 2. And last property, diagonals meet at 90 degrees and split into equal sections. Well, we've already got the diagonals on there from those symmetry lines. So as you can see, they do meet at right angles, and this is the same size as this, and this is the same size as that one there.